You need some discipline. Somebody shout, yeah. The Bible says that it was 400 years that God prophesied, Bishop. This was long before Isaac, Jacob, Joseph were born. God, who controls the future in the present and influences the past by the future, said to Abraham, from your loins will come up a generation of people. They will find themselves in Egypt as a type of the Liberians that will find themselves in America in the year 2016. But they will be under the influence of tutors and masters, taskmasters, but not forever, for only a season.
Yes, yes, sir.
400 years period. Bishop, I know in my spirit, at the expiration of 400 years, if any of the Israelites had walked up to Pharaoh with a dagger, he would have succeeded.
Yes.
Because the prophetic word from God regulates the affairs of men.
Yes. Oh, yes.
And God said, let there be. And
there was.
Amen.
400 years. There are some of you undergoing certain circumstances that shouldn't be. Yes, it was okay as of 2014. But at 2015, God had turned the tide.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
He had turned the table.
Yes, he has.
But you have allowed yourself, because of what I call your lack of the understanding of the times.
Oh, yes.
The sons of Issachar were men who had understanding of the times. Times and seasons are given to men of understanding. You got to, that's why when you said you are building up, I smiled. You got to know when God is saying, hey, Bishop, hold the brake in Philadelphia. Step up to Lagos. Step your feet in Abuja. Because this gift you carry, this grace you carry, there are people in Abuja that will celebrate it a million times more. I'm not saying they are bad guys, they are good guys. They are trying, but not trying enough.
Amen.
I've got a wonderful church, wonderful people. My wife is pastoring them, they've done their service. They love me, they bless me, they take care of me. But you see, you got to understand when God says move, when God says stay. If you stay when He says move, everything will fight against you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.